friends. Hello friends, my name is Rajesh Chauhan. In this video I will tell you that if you want to learn English and you are thinking that I have to learn English but I don't know how can I improve my English language, how much time should I give, because I have no any advisor, I have no any leader to guide me. So how can I improve my English language? Can you help me? Can you teach me? Can you give me any advice? Do you have this question? So my dear friends, I want to tell you how to watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be very helpful for you. And first I want to tell you, if you want to learn English, then I would like to know your purpose. What is your purpose to learn English? After learning English, what will you do? Are you ready? Are you interested to learn English? Tell me. First I want to tell you, are you not interested to learn English? First you have to think that if you want to learn English. So my dear friends, how can you speak English fluently and confidently? So first of all, I would like to tell you that if you want to improve your English language, then you have to give first all of I want to tell you how much time do you have. Tell me. After knowing, I will give an advice, and definitely you can improve your English language. First I would like to ask you that how much time do you have, because when you will give some time, then you will learn slowly, but when you will give more time, then definitely you can speak English fluently and confidently, and you can learn very fast. Suppose now you will give 1 hour per day, and then you will learn you cannot learn fast, but when you will give 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour per day, then it is my guarantee you can learn English very fast. So my dear friends, I want to suggest to you that you have to give time. You have to give time more than more. You should not make excuses that today I don't have time, but I will start my journey some other day. Because English, what is first I want to ask you that this is my question, that what is English? English is a language. If you want to improve your English language, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, then you should stop making excuses. You should not say like this, that today I don't have time, but I will start my journey some other day. So my dear friends, you should not say like this, but if you want to improve your English language, then you should start your journey right now. You should say, because you should not say that I will start my journey from tomorrow. You should not forget tomorrow doesn't come. Yes, tomorrow never comes. If you want to learn English, if you want to do something in your life, then you have to start right now, and you will improve your English language. No one can stop you. And if you want to fulfill your desire, if you want to do something new in your life, then what you have to do? First you have to remove a stumble. What is a stumble of your success? English. Don't worry, you can learn very easy, but when you will try, you have to try to learn. Yes, first before learning, you will have to change your thinking and thought. You have to say, if I have to get my goal, if I have to get my target, if I have to get my aim, then I will remove stumble in front of me. Yes. So my dear friend, I want to tell you that if you want to remove stumble, then what you have to do? You have to try, because you are trying to get job, but you are unable. Reason? Lack of English. Because of English. So my dear friend, don't worry. I will tell you, if you want to improve your English language, then you should start your journey from today, and definitely you can improve your English language. No one can stop you. First, my question is this, that what is English? English is a language anyone can speak, but when when they will practice, when